Question 1. The magical forest contained ancient trees that whispered secrets to passing travelers daily. Question 2. Fireflies illuminated the pathway, creating a spectacular display of dancing lights everywhere. Question 3. Wild mushrooms grew abundantly near the waterfall, providing shelter for tiny fairies overnight. Question 4. The wise owl hooted mysteriously from branches, warning animals about approaching danger. Question 5. Sparkling streams flowed gently through mossy rocks, carrying pure mountain water downstream. Question 6. Colorful butterflies danced gracefully between flowers, spreading pollen throughout the meadow peacefully. Question 7. Bears hibernated comfortably inside caves during winter months, sleeping deeply until spring. Question 8. Squirrels gathered acorns diligently, storing them carefully for the harsh winter approaching rapidly. Question 9. Morning dewdrops sparkled brilliantly on spiderwebs, creating rainbow patterns everywhere beautifully. Question 10. Rabbits hopped quickly through tall grass, escaping from hungry foxes hunting nearby. Question 11. Pine trees released their fragrant scent, filling the entire forest with natural perfume. Question 12. Woodpeckers tapped rhythmically on tree trunks, searching for insects hidden beneath bark. Question 13. Deer grazed peacefully in clearings, eating tender grass shoots during quiet mornings. Question 14. Wolves howled loudly at midnight, communicating with their pack across distant mountains. Question 15. Mushroom circles appeared mysteriously overnight, marking places where fairies danced joyfully. Question 16. Eagles soared majestically above treetops, surveying their territory with sharp eyes constantly. Question 17. Beavers built impressive dams using branches, creating new wetland habitats efficiently. Question 18. Ferns unfurled slowly, revealing delicate fronds that swayed gently in the breeze continuously. Question 19. Raccoons searched cleverly through undergrowth, finding berries and nuts hidden everywhere. Question 20. Lightning struck powerfully during storms, occasionally starting small fires that regenerated forests. Question 21. Moss covered ancient stones completely, creating soft carpets throughout the quiet forest. Question 22. Foxes hunted stealthily at twilight, catching unsuspecting prey with remarkable precision nightly. Question 23. Birds sang melodiously every morning, welcoming the sunrise with cheerful harmonies. Question 24. Caterpillars transformed miraculously into butterflies, emerging from cocoons completely changed forever. Question 25. The enchanted forest remained a sanctuary where magical creatures lived peacefully forever.